Hello, my beauty buddies. Here's a better little update about the March 2016 beauty box being available. I had put one up at 4:15 in the morning my time, and it was a little bit ghetto because I just shot at something so I could tell you guys. But basically, there's hair food, moisture shampoo, and conditioner. Those look like they are foil packs. Then there is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturing Sea Salt in there, and that looks like, let's see, can we read it? So it's 2 ounces, so that's decent. Sinful Colors Professional Nail Polish, and I don't know, let's see, so it's a 1/2 ounce, so that looks like it's full sized. There is a Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, and that's definitely, yeah, that's a little sample size. I wasn't that impressed with that particular product, but you know, if you get it in a $5 box. Banana Boat Sun Comforts SPF 30 lotion. And let's see, where are you? Oh, there you are. And what does that look like? Oh, 1 ounce. Okay. So these are kind of like deluxe sample sizes, a little full size. A Noog face mask. And that is one of those little one-time usage little guys, 10 milliliters. You Are Amazing Juicy Grapefruit Body Lotion, and then Caress Adore for body wash. So let's see here. This is the You Are Amazing. Good, that's a nice big one. This Caress stuff, oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, on me and my daughter, when this was on our body, it made a horrible smell after you out of the shower. It's okay before and during the shower, but it was after. So I don't know about this one, but for $5, these other things, I'm dying to try this one. You know, again, I wasn't thrilled with this, but you know, heck, doesn't hurt to use it. I'm interested to try this face mask. Hello Skin, I have not tried this, and you know, foil packs are always good for travel. Can never have too much nail polish, so geez, for $5, I bet you this nail polish is probably almost $5. So great job, Target. It's a $17 value for $5. Go online right now. This will sell out probably by noon Pacific time, I'm guessing, unless they made more because this is a lower price point. I'm not sure. But regardless, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy Monday. Hope you all get off to a great start for your week. Bye.